lemon bars. These are really yummy and I really enjoy making them and eating them. First you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then 2 cups of flour. Now you're also going to add half a cup of powdered sugar. Now you're also going to melt 2 sticks of butter. So you're going to take 2 sticks of butter and put them in something you can put in the microwave. While that's melting, just whisk together your flour and powdered sugar. You're also going to prepare a 9 by 13 inch pan with a sheet of parchment paper. Okay, now you're going to dump in your 2 sticks of melted butter. You're going to whisk that all up. You may prefer to use a spatula. Okay, so now your dough should look something like this. And we are going to press it into our pan. Okay, so now my oven isn't yet preheated, but this will go in the oven for 20 minutes when it is, and I will put it in. Now that my oven is preheated, I'm just going to put this in for 20 minutes. While that's baking, I'm going to combine. Because of the virus, people bought all the big bags of flour, so we had to get a bunch of teeny little ones. Okay, anyways, you're going to combine 3/4 of a cup of flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to whisk that together with my rainbow whisk. I don't like the green ones so much. Now we're going to add a lot of sugar, which this is probably not going to be enough. I'll be back in a minute. And we also added like all the common brands of sugar. This is Hicks sugar. Never heard of it. Okay, now you are going to need a lot of sugar, and by a lot I mean about 3 cups, which is a lot. Though these are lemon bars and they have to be sweet and sour. Okay, we basically used up half of the entire bag of sugar. Anyways, now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. So I'm going to juice 1 lemon, and then I have some already juiced lemon juice. But this is usually about 2 to 3 lemons. This lemon does not look very good, so I might not actually juice any lemons. Yeah, that's not a good lemon. Okay, sorry. So I'm going to use some of already juiced lemon juice and about 3/4 of a cup, so I'll just. But to juice your lemon, you can use an electric mixer since you'll be juicing so many lemons, or you could juice them by hand, but that's kind of annoying. So now you can whisk that up, or you can wait for the next step. Now you are going to add not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, but 6 eggs. That is a lot of eggs, so you have to make sure that you have enough because that's half a dozen eggs. Now you're going to whisk that together. There's so much stuff that this is not the best whisk choice for this since it's all flimsy. Okay, so this is about what you want. My base still has 12 minutes, so I'm going to be back when that's done to pour this in and put it back in the oven. So if you're done this early, you can also just set it off to the side. Now I'm going to do some fun cleanup. When your base is done, you're going to turn off your timer but leave the oven on. Then you will take it out, put it on a rack or something similar, and you're going to just give your filling a little stir and pour it in over the shortbread base. Then you're going to put that back in the oven for 25 more minutes. done, you're going to turn off the oven and take them out to let them cool. I'm going to put them on this rack and I will be back in a minute. Okay, so I've let this cool for a couple hours. You probably don't need to let it cool for that long. And, ew, that got a little stuck, so it doesn't look fantastic. But you're going to take a knife that doesn't have to be very sharp and go around the edges. Now it's going to be sticky, but you're going to try your best to get it out. Might break a little. So you can tell this doesn't look great because my attempts at trying to hold this parchment back really didn't work and it got all over it, but oh well, it should still taste good. Sometimes if you want to take your knife, you can just cut where it's less sticky and make a cleaner line because you're not going to get all of this out with your first attempt. Okay, so it's sticky. It didn't all come out, but you can take that out with your knife and just keep that. And it doesn't look very good, so I'd recommend taking off the ugly looking sides. While you're doing this, you can eat them. And then, I think this looks nice if you sprinkle powdered sugar over it, so I'm just going to take a little spoon, a little sifter thing, take a bit of powdered sugar, and just sift it all over. Now you're going to cut it into however big sizes you want. You should definitely not throw away the edges since that's a lot of the dessert, since it's all very sticky around the edges. Now, you should eat one. And that is a simple recipe for a delicious dessert. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.